Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to Discord. First, ensure you have both a Discord account and an active PayPal account ready. This process is primarily used for supporting creators or accessing exclusive content through Discord's subscription features. We'll cover the steps to integrate your PayPal as a payment method within Discord's system, making transactions smooth and straightforward. It's a simple way to manage your digital contributions. Discord often utilizes its built-in subscription features or third-party integrations to handle payments. When you subscribe to a server's premium content or purchase a role, PayPal acts as one of the available payment methods. The server owner or a specific bot usually configures these payment options. Understanding this setup is key to successfully linking your PayPal, as you'll be interacting with Discord's payment interface rather than directly linking accounts. To connect your PayPal, navigate to the specific Discord server or bot offering the subscription or item you wish to purchase. Select your desired tier or product and proceed to the checkout. You will then be prompted to choose a payment method. Select PayPal, and you'll be redirected to PayPal's secure site to authorize the transaction. After successful authorization, you'll be returned to Discord, and your PayPal will be linked for that specific purchase. For a smooth experience, always check your PayPal and Discord settings for any payment restrictions or issues. Ensure your PayPal account has sufficient funds or a linked, active payment method. If you encounter problems, contacting Discord support or the specific server owner can provide tailored assistance. The entire linking and payment process is generally secure and takes only a few minutes to complete, offering a convenient way to support your favorite communities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.